Today, guys, we're doing a Frisco melt, a steak and shake copy Frisco melt. Oh, so delicious, but what? Easy to make. I'll see you in the kitchen with Chef R. Allen. Cooking made easy. Once again, it's your boy. You're in the kitchen with Chef R. Allen. I'm doing a Frisco melt. And guys, that's a steak and shake copycat. That's 2 beef with grilled onions and the patties on with the Thousand Island sauce mix and with the French onion. You'll see it as we go. So right now, I'm gonna saute some onions. Bring this in closer. I got this on medium, and right now we're just gonna saute the onions. This is steak and shake copycat Frisco melt. I'm using sourdough. Sometimes you can use the rye bread, what works for you. But I went to the sourdough, and it's gonna be smash burgers. It's basically smash burgers. With I'm gonna mix the Thousand Island and French and the Worcestershire sauce, man. So right now, I want to saute the onions and get this out the way. And guys, as always, man, you guys been really supportive, and I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everyone. Thanks for your replies, your comments, and you know, and those that's been cooking it and liking it. Appreciate you guys. Okay, so right now it's just a few items. It's just gonna be my Worcestershire sauce, my Thousand Island, my French dressing, and that's it. We're just gonna let this cook and marinate. Then we're gonna set this aside. And while we got the onions sauteing, I'm just gonna make a sandwich for you, like always. The recipe will be at the bottom of the description, and this will be enough for two sandwiches. But I'm just gonna do one sandwich right here. So right now we're gonna add, like I said, I got the French dressing, and then I got the Thousand Island, and you're gonna have Worcestershire sauce. You know, they want you to think they're doing something special. But I'm going to show you that we can do it at home. Nothing against Steak and Shake or any other franchise restaurant, but you know, sometimes we want to know what's going in, what we eat. And then just a dab of Worcestershire sauce. Then we're going to mix that together, and that's going to be your sauce. You guys see that? And it's gonna be 2 cheeses. You know, I'm doing a Swiss and cheddar. You can do Swiss and American. Basically, you can do whatever cheese you like, what works for you. So we're gonna set that aside. We got that out the way. We're gonna saute. We want to saute this, get it nice and golden brown. Bring that in closer. Okay, we got the onions nice brown, golden brown. Let that cook. We'll put this over here. I want you to see all of this. Put that over here. I got it with that butter. Put that seasoning on it. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more butter in here. And we're gonna toast. I got the sourdough. We're gonna cut this down a little bit. And I got the sourdough. We're gonna let that cook. Let that toast up. And over here I got the skillet heating up because I want to do the smash burgers on that. So like I say, it's cooking made easy, but it's only a couple of utensils we're using. So I got the grilled onions there, I got this toasted. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add a little more butter because I like mine buttery. We'll let that cook over there. Now we're doing smash burgers, but I just want. I like my burgers a little. They're thin, but I like it kind of big. You'll see, but they'll cook as they go. They'll shrink a little bit. And we'll cook a little bit off. And I got some of the. Nice and I like them nice and thin. They're gonna cook some. We're gonna let that cook. Oh yeah. So while that's cooking, let's move this out the way. Slide this over. I'm gonna do two more slices of bread. I'm gonna add a little more butter. And this here, man, this is real easy to make. I'm just doing a sandwich today. Someone asked me to do a sandwich, you know, something easy and light. And the first thing I thought about was let's do a Frisco melt. Let's do a steak and shake Frisco melt. So we'll put this over here. We'll do two more slices of bread. Like I said, I got my cheddar and my Swiss. Slide that over there. I'm gonna let that cook. Bring this in closer, guys. Okay, guys, like I said, we got the burgers cooking. Slide that over. While that's cooking, we're gonna put, oh yeah. So the first two slices of bread, yeah, I want you guys to see that. The first two slices of bread, we're gonna put the sauce on it. And that's my Thousand Island French and Worcestershire sauce. And you basically put that on anything. You can put it on a chicken sandwich if you want to. We're gonna slide that down here. And then with these two, we're gonna put our onions. We're gonna put some onions here. This is the Steak and Shake Copycat. Frisco melt. Frisco melt right here. Okay, we're letting that cook. Take your gloves off. Let's bring this in closer. Okay, I got this halfway. Like I said, we're gonna put a slice of Swiss. And then we're gonna put a slice of cheddar on each. And like I said, you can put any cheese that you want on it. But this is what I prefer right here. It melts good. It melts real good. We're gonna make a patty melt. Guys, like I said, you guys been awesome, man. I appreciate you guys for all that you do, your comments, your replies. I mean, couldn't have done this without you guys. Let's bring this back down. Let this melt. Okay, we almost there, man. I got the butter melting. This is the last step. Man, you see this? You see that right there? Now we're gonna put the burger on top of the onion. I'm gonna put that sauce. Man. Then I want to heat it up. I just want enough to heat it up. To cook it through maybe a minute on each side. Just to toast the bun one more time. Just to get it nice and toasted and heated on each side. Man. And that's my copycat. That's my steak and shake copycat. Frisco melt. Want you guys to see that. We're gonna let that cook. We're gonna turn that over. This right here is my steak and shake copycat Frisco melt. Guys, oh so delicious and easy to make. As you see, this was delicious. Guys, as always, thank you guys for your support. Till next time, I'll see you in the kitchen with Chef R. Allen. Cooking made easy. Thank you guys.